I remember in my first year of university, after a number of things had happened, I was just in so much despair. There was a death in the family. My parents had decided to separate, and I moved away for the first time, so that was also very sort of just difficult to handle all at once. And I had become an individual that I wouldn't be able to recognize today.
1 in 5 people in any one year are struggling with a diagnosable level of mental illness. We all learn about mental health one way or the other. We're nationally focused on supporting young leaders across the country to reduce stigma around mental health, to support their peers, to connect them to resources. But what I think is really cool about the support that Hats On provides is this is the program that really develops the leadership skills of the young people in our network. We bring them together at the National and Regional Summit to train and develop their skills, as well as to connect and inspire them.
Really, the environment your child is growing up is in the home, in the school system, in our community. So I still believe that it really does take a village to raise a child. Hats On has really helped us expand our program with the growing need of our community. Children's mental health has become at the forefront of what our community needs, and without our donors, we wouldn't be able to expand the way we have.
Donation is very important because mental health is not up there as other illnesses. The Suits Me Fine program is a unique program for our clients here at CAMH. What we have there is everything you can think of that we need to survive as a person. So we have clothing, shoes, belts. It's all free of charge. There's no money involved. Hats On for Awareness contributed a lot to CAMH. They have contributed to a fashion show. It's the highlight of the year for our clients. They're on stage, lights flashing, their mother, their parents, their family member, everybody, people from the community is there, clapping them on, making sure they walk the stage, and it's great. They forget about their struggle that day. When somebody comes to Suits Me Fine, I look at a patient as not a patient, but it could be my mom, it could be my sister, it could be anybody.
I always wanted to give young people in particular a safe place to talk to somebody when they needed it. The whole idea with the What's Up walk-in is trying to remove as many barriers as possible for young people to access mental health services. In the past year, since Hats On has been involved in helping us with the promotional material, we've had about 5,000 visits across all 6 agencies, which is a 57% increase in the number of clients who access our walk-in, which is incredible. We just don't get enough money from the government to make these services possible, and so funding, donations, grant money is absolutely essential for us to be able to do our work and to serve children, youth, and families. We can't do it without them.
You never know if someone in your life is struggling. It's perfectly normal to struggle, but what's also important is to get help and to reach out to people, to not keep that to yourself. I am a proud, fierce mental health advocate with Jack.org, and I'm excited to continue making noise about an issue that matters a lot to me. And because this is such a big problem that we're trying to tackle, it is just so incredibly important to have that support, because you're not only directly funding the programs and initiatives that we currently have, you're also showing that this is an issue that matters to you.